Hey everybody, welcome to another Cars and Zebras auction. All of this footage was taken at the Chicago Mecum auto auction, so I sure hope that you enjoy it. And of course, if you do, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel since I will be posting this footage regularly. But with that said, let's check out our featured car. This fine piece of automotive engineering is a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. And who doesn't love a Chevelle? Come on. I know that I do. I mean, literally. I want to make love to this Chevelle. I'm gonna make sweet love to your Chevelle. I'm gonna lay it down by the fire. But this just isn't any run-of-the-mill Chevelle. This one's a Super Sport 396 upgraded to the delectable 360 horsepower L34 V8. But before we get ahead of ourselves and cream our jeans, let's take a moment and look at the window tag. You'll see that first and foremost, it lists the 396 cubic inch engine with 360 horsepower, 4-barrel carb, dual exhaust, 4-speed manual transmission, though it doesn't specify if it's a close ratio or a wide ratio. The M22 Rock Crusher was not available in this package. 12-bolt rear, that was standard equipment on the SS396 and the Chevelle that year. Power steering, power brakes. Of course, it has the regal red exterior with parchment interior. Bucket seats, knee knocker tack. It's got the power convertible top, Delco radio, simulated mag wheel covers, and of course the beautiful Firestone wide oval red line tires. And if you're keeping notes and paying attention, you'll see that it does not state anything about this car being numbers matching, so I don't know if it is or if it isn't. So I'm sure that'll be a factor in the auction. Let's talk some specs on this car. The L34 made 360 horsepower at 5,200 RPM and 415 pound-feet of torque at 3,400 RPM. It still had a hydraulic cam, but it was more aggressive than the base model 396. The block was reinforced and the carburetor upgraded to a Holley 4160 that was breathing through an open air cleaner. To top it all off, you had a compression ratio of 10.25 to 1. There were a few transmissions available. The standard was a 3-speed manual, but you could upgrade to a 4-speed manual, that being either a wide or close ratio. But if you wanted an automatic, your only choice was the powerglide. The Turbo 400 wasn't going to come out for a little bit longer. Later in the year, when the L78 was available, you could get a Rock Crusher 4-speed manual, but not in this car. But come on, you guys, you gotta give it up for the interior on this car because it is clean.
No, it's not gonna fall this time. This time it's not.
Curb weight for this car with these options was just over 3,600 pounds, and that is not bad at all, especially considering that it's a convertible. As you would imagine, Chevelles in 1966 were very reasonably priced. The starting price for a Super Sport 396 was $2,776, but if you wanted the convertible, that was $2,984. Now remember, this one has the upgraded engine, the L34. That was going to cost you another $105, an absolute steal. And that would bring your total in at about $3,100, which, adjusting for inflation, would be around $24,500 today. The Super Sport Chevelle sold very well in 1966. They sold just over 72,000 units, but only 5,429 of those were convertibles, and obviously even far less were L34 optioned cars. The standard rear gear on a Super Sport in 1966 was a 331, but Hot Rod magazine took a hardtop equipped with 411 posi, and they ran the quarter mile in 14.42 seconds at 100 miles per hour. But enough talk about this car, let's see what it brings at the auction.
Here's F1 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS 396 motor, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, bucket seats, and center console with clock. $80,000 here. You better give 80 bid, you better give 80, you better give 10, you better give 20, you better give 30. At 30 bid, you better get 35, 40. At 40 bid, you better get 40, you better get 40, you better get 40,000. I am 35 bid, you better get 40 bid, you better get 40, you better get 37, 40. I am 37 bid, you better get 40 bid, you better get 40, you better get 40. At 37, 40, now 2. At 42, 45. At 45 bid, you better get 5, 5, 5, 7. At 47, 50. At 50 bid, 2. I am 50 bid, you better get 2. Reserve is off. At 50 bid, you better get 52. I am 50 bid, you better get 2 bid, you better get 2, 50,000, you better get 52.
watching this Cars and Zebras auction. I do appreciate it. If you found it entertaining, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future auction videos. And of course, I'll see you at the next one.